Tech Camp is an event for 9 to 17-year-olds who enjoy learning about technology, things like coding, electronics, and people who like building things. Tech Camp started about 10 years ago in England and was the first camp of its type. And is one of the only camps in the world that specialises in take-home, real physical products that the children build. There are plenty of other tech camps around now that do coding, software-based work. We specialise in particular in courses where the children build things that they can take home. Things like drones that they can race, 3D printers that they can create on, and robots where they can continue learning about coding when they go home. The facilities for the residential campus are fantastic. They get their own rooms with ensuite bathrooms, and there's also a wide selection of food available, very high quality. There are vegetarian options, usually a couple of hot meal options, as well as dessert. There's also plenty of opportunities for the campers to socialise outside of the technical activities that we run. We're also unique in the type of staff that we employ. Typically we'll find undergraduates who are studying computer science or engineering at well-known universities like UCL and Imperial and Cambridge. We select them not just for their ability to communicate with children and their enthusiasm, but also their technical skills, and we put them through a rigorous test.
I just feel like anything technological or anything you can get kids involved in, they always love like making stuff and designing stuff and everything. But it's always really good to see what they come up with themselves.
It's surprisingly hard at first to fly the drone, but when you get used to it and you practice, it's just, at the beginning it seems impossible, and then it's so easy, it's just natural for you. It's been amazing, it's better than I expected it to be. So you get, for example, the drone, but you get even more. You get the controller, you get the VR headset, you get to learn it, you get a program to do a simulator, you have a really nice room. It's been amazing so far.
Hasta luego, Tech Camp!
Arrivederci, Tech Camp.
See you again, Tech Camp!
Book now to secure one of the limited places in the upcoming season.